Wolfgang, Tyler Creator, fucking remix, I guess.
Oh, I beg you, can I follow? Oh, I ask you, wanna always be the ocean where I unravel. Be my only, be the water where I'm waiting. You're my river running high, run deep, run wild. I follow you, deep sea baby. I follow you, I follow you, dark doom honey. I follow you, hear message. I'm the runner, hear the rebel. I'm the daughter waiting for you. You're my river running high, run deep, run wild. I follow you, deep sea baby. I follow you, I follow you, dark doom honey. I follow you.
Well, you wanna fucking drown? Go ahead, head first in that goddamn river, you're dead. I said that I loved you. Heartbeats when you get near, so it's clear why I fought you. I love you. X's and O's, you must be the rose, cause my X's are hoes. And where you gonna go when you run through my head all day? And I got a foot fetish, so I probably had sex with your souls. Life as a water park could be fun. I swim in your ocean of love. If I had a life jacket, cause I'm not that dumb. So next time I come, I'll bring you one, so you don't drown when you decide to follow. And I'ma go deep, cause you're not that shallow, alright?